We are in the last row. This is the 14th round, and as I've told in the beginning of this doily, I'm going to change the last row so it differs from the original design by Patricia Christopherson, and I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna add those clusters in between the rows of petals, and in order to make it more square here, I will add some of the stitches in here. Let's check how it's gonna work for us. So we connected to the first single crochet in the row. Right now I want to make one loop up and one single crochet into the same single crochet where we connected. Then we skip one single crochet here and we go into the arch and we make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochet. Into the next 4 of them I fulfill 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's very tight. Into the next arch 6 more single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we skip one single crochet here, and into the second one in this arch we make one more single crochet. What I want to do is one cluster of 3 double crochet, and I'm going to put my hook behind the double crochet from the previous row here. I'm going to show you closer, and we fulfill, because it's the cluster, we don't finish the double crochet, so we have 2 of them on the hook, and we continue. Second, 3 loops on the hook, and the third, 4 loops on the hook, we close with 1 top.